Hello, what I have for you today is something a bit unusual for this channel lately, and that is a challenge lock in the form of a padlock made by Ryhrr, RYHRR, my friend from Austria. He made this padlock all by himself in his family member's machine shop, and it's very well made, quite hefty. The cylinder here is a 5-pin ABUS Euro, and overall it's a very nice piece. I did pick it in hand twice, but it's very difficult for me on the video because I tend to point like the keyway into me when I'm picking in hand, and I have tried to record it in hand, but it was very difficult, so we're gonna put it in the vise. So you can see better, and I have some better time picking it. Okay. Let's use one wiper insert on the top of the keyway. Let's move these headphones, and let's start. One is okay. Oh, okay. One's okay. 2. Small click. 3. It's giving us some counter rotation. But let's leave it for now. 5 is good. 4. Good click. 1 is binding heavily now. Good click. And a turn on the core. But now 5. Seems to be binding enough. But we might need a deeper hook already to be able to lift it like that. Okay, something happened. Let's leave 5 for now. How about 4? Nothing really. 3. Nope. 2. So it's giving some counter rotation. Okay. Some good click out of 2. Seems to be set now. 3. Good counter rotation out of 3. Come on. Let's leave 3 for now then. Seems like 5 wants to be lifted. Maybe this gem is a bit deeper, but not as deep as my medium hook. Okay. That's good. It's concentration on 4. Something doesn't feel right. Let's leave it for now. Let's leave 1, 2 seems set. 3. Okay, let's leave 3. Okay, let's go with 4, but with this hook. That's 3. Did 5 drop? Okay, it will not lift it all the way yet. Let's work it up slowly with this pick. It's not that. 3. Okay. My hand is twitching already. And that something is still not set all the way. 2 is good. 3 is giving us some nice counter rotation, but for some reason I can't lift it more. Two is good. 4 is good. And now 3. Beautiful counter rotation, but it stops at some point. And I can't lift it any higher. Maybe let's go with this pick. Okay. As you can see, it wasn't trivial at all. In fact, quite tricky, even though I have picked it, I think, twice before. Nicely made challenge lock. Okay, let's close it, I guess. Shackle popped out. Sorry, that's okay. Okay. We're gonna need some screwdrivers. a shim. There it is. Okay, that was a nice fight actually. That's an Allen, like 3mm. Nope. But it's not for either, right? No, it is for. Okay. It's tight there. Okay. Oh yeah. Now the bearing is in the way, I think, but we don't necessarily need to. We can back this screw a little, pop the bearing now. The other bearing is here. There's a smaller and bigger one. There's our actuator. That is the innards. Our cylinder has a small slot for this screw here. Yeah. Nice. The actuator goes in like that. And it's closed. Maybe like that. It's like here. Oh yeah. When it's closed, the bearings are here, and when you turn it, they can depress a little into the actuator. Very nice made padlock. I certainly wouldn't be able to make something like this myself. Let's try to pop this circlip off and see what's inside. Okay, let's try it this way. Might not work though. Okay, it did work. It's an E-clip actually. Let's see. That's why it didn't want to come out. Let's admire the key now. Yeah, very low lift in 1 and 4. High lift 2 and 3, and mid lift in 5. Tricky lock, nice overset trap because pin 1 is cut quite low, as well as the 4, and sometimes they just back to be lifted, but that's not the way, and you just go around in circles when you do that. Okay, we have a shim in place. Will that fit? Nope. Okay. Five, 4, see nice torpedoes. The core is a bit flattened, sadly. No modifications in the core that I can see. Okay, do you have? Yes, I do have the tweezers. Okay. Yeah. Oh, beautiful. Very nice looking pin. 2. Also nice. Nice barrel spool. That's a pin actually. This 3. Awesome. 4 is a spool. Spool lag. 5 is a thick spool. Yeah. How about the springs? They all look similar. And they're basically all the same. There we go. Let's see these pins. Serrated keeping, torpedo, serrated, slightly beveled, and double serrated, torpedoed. That's a like a check pin, palm, something. That's a double spool. That's a pin actually. That's interesting. That's a spool. Let's say white spool. Yeah, overall nice pin work. They do certainly make making this mirror 5-pin lock a little tricky. But yeah, overall very well made lock. Enjoyed picking it very much. That's it for me. Have a nice day and see you. Bye bye.